Hello and welcome back to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to stay on top of your trading game. My name is Alex, and in less than 360 seconds, we are going to break down the blueprint of trading Forex on Olymp Trade with precision and insight. First of all, what is Forex? Well, Forex is basically a marketplace where various assets and national currencies are traded. It's considered as the most liquid market by volume and number of transactions in the world, with trillions of dollars changing hands every day. Unlike the FaceTime trades mode, which offers a win or lose scenario, the Forex mode gives you more control of your risk exposure and potential reward by allowing you to exit your trade at any point in time or maintain your position until a profit is secured. One thing to keep in mind about professional Forex trading is that it isn't guesswork. It's about making informed decisions. So whether you're a day trader or prefer longer positions, you can still open more trades within a trading session and still take profit at predetermined levels. Compared to the fixed time trades, Forex trading requires patience and discipline, as it might take hours, days, and even weeks to get the same amount of profit you could get in the fixed time trades mode within a set duration. Let's assume you want to make a 1 minute $10 trade with 82% profitability. If your forecast is correct, you could earn an extra $8.2 in profit. And if it's not, you stand to lose $10. In the Forex mode, it might take more than a minute to get similar results unless the market is very volatile or you set a higher multiplier. And in the Forex mode, your profitability is not shown when opening a trade. Your potential profit or loss value fluctuates, and you can always exit your position when you see fit or when your stop loss and take profit orders are triggered. If some of the terms that I used are unfamiliar to you, don't fret. We are about to explore them a bit further. First, the multiplier. The multiplier allows you to increase your trade amount by 5 to 500 times relative to your trade amount. Simply put, Olymp Trade lends you, the trader, a certain amount of funds that can be used to make trades. And this multiplier needs to be set by you. So let's say you choose a multiplier of 100. What this means is that you receive $100 for every dollar you assign to your trade. And if your multiplier value is 500, you'll get $500. Take profit is the amount of profit you expect to receive, and this can be set as high as 1000% if you are confident of your forecast. Once your profit hits the preset value, the trade is automatically closed and your result is locked in. Stop loss intent automatically closes your trade after the loss amount reaches the preset value. And finally, the trailing stop loss. This is kind of similar to the regular stop loss, but it's designed to protect your gains by keeping your trade opened as long as price keep moving in your favor, and then closing it once price changes direction. So, how can you open Forex trade on Olymp Trade? First, select the asset and indicate your trade amount and the multiplier. Next, you analyze the chart and choose the direction of your trade. In an up trade, you make profit if the asset price increases. And in a down trade, you make profit if price decreases. Then, you set profit if you want your trade to close automatically once the profit value reaches a certain point. You can also limit your risk exposure by setting a stop loss of 50% or less, which will automatically trigger the closing of your trade once that level is reached. This way, you avoid the risk of losing your entire trade amount. Remember that Forex trading isn't just about making profit, it's about safeguarding your capital. And effective risk management means that not risking more than 1 to 2% of your account balance on a single trade. Your success in Forex trading depends on thorough analysis and precise timing. It's not just about trends themselves, but also about understanding the forces behind them. To achieve this, consider candlesticks patterns for price action, Fibonacci for market retracement levels, and also keep an eye on the economic calendar. This trio of tools can inform your trades beyond mere speculations, offering you a strategic edge. You can also choose from up to 22 ready-made strategies available on the Olymp Trade platform, which has been designed to help you figure out the market and make well-informed trading decisions. This is just the beginning, and in the follow-up video, we'll explore the 3 trading modes and figure out which one works best for you. Until then, you can try out the Forex mode on your demo account to learn to make every trade, every decision, and every second count by trading smartly and with a strategy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for joining me once again, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.